Welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are going to make some garlic spicy palm wings. Yes, I did a poll and you guys voted. So always leave me a comment or vote on the polls of what you would like to see here next on Jill's Comfort Zone. If you're new here, welcome. And let's get into these ingredients.
You go, oh, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon, with you tonight is on a violin. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, dating this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it back on nothing, I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it back on nothing, I'll take you there.
Alright guys, we are here with all our ingredients we are about to use for these delicious garlic palm spicy wings. Oh yeah, and it gets no better than these. And then of course you're gonna need some Italian herbs, stirring paste, some garlic paste, Parmesan cheese shredded, but I am going to go ahead and grate those with some butter. So let's go ahead and get these seasonings together. Let's get ready for game day, okay? So our wings has been cleaned and soaked. So let's get ready to cut them up. So I started a few before I came on camera. And so we're just going to slice them and we're going to set the tips to the side. And then go ahead and rinse them off again. And go ahead and get them seasoned up. Be right back. Alright, we have all our seasonings here ready to season up our chicken. So I have a tablespoon of the smoked paprika, herb de Provence, onion powder, garlic powder, and the Padillas complete seasoning. And then you have a teaspoon of the herbs, half a teaspoon, and a teaspoon of the turmeric, okay? And about half a teaspoon of black pepper, and little below, not too much of the cayenne pepper, okay? But it's enough. Give our spicy garlic wings kick it up a notch, okay? I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back guys. So I dried off our wings. We want to make sure they are absolutely dry and then get them seasoned up and ready for the oven, okay? And we are going to bake these at 375 degrees in the oven. So I'm about to preheat my oven and let's get these babies seasoned. I am a flat girl. What are you? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you for watching my last video and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, pull up a seat and enjoy this recipe. Be right back. Alright guys, I got some extra some avocado oil, okay? We're just going to put enough on you to coat so that our seasoning will stick to the wings once we start cooking. And this way, I don't have to spray it with that cooking spray, the foil. So that way, it'll be all good. So let's go ahead, have it seasoned. This is all our seasons that we blend together. That I showed you earlier. Alright, let me grab some gloves and get to mixing this up. And just a little hint, before you start seasoning up here, I always taste my seasoning mix, okay? So I did add another teaspoon of Padillas complete seasoning because we're not adding any salt, and that Padilla is my salt. for this base. Okay. And since we're coming in with that butter and all of that, oh, trust me, it's going to be well seasoned and flavorful, guys. Whew. Game day. What do you cook for game day or Super Bowl? You know, I'm a Steelers girl. Oh yes, baby. Steelers fan for life. Just because I'm from New York City doesn't mean I'm a New York team fan. So it's always a great time when I get it with my boys in grass. But I'm gonna get with the fellas and we sit around, talk, enjoying the game. Oh, it's so much fun. So now what I want to do is I am going to add some of our hot sauce. I should have did that earlier, but forgive me, guys. There we go. Now we're working. So we're just going to blend this up really well, and then we're going to line them on the cooking sheet. My oven is almost ready. Preheated to that 375 degrees and ready to receive our wings. So just get all this married together. Line your sheet, cookie sheet, and let's go. So if you have time, do this all the night before and let these flavors blend in the fridge overnight. These really will be kicked up to notch. I don't have time today, so I'm gonna put these in the fridge for 2 hours, and then I'll be right back. All right, our chicken is lined on our cookie sheet, baking sheet, and we're gonna cook this for about an hour. Just keep an eye on it, and we're gonna flip them in the process, okay? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's get our garlic palm butter together. We're gonna go in with that garlic paste. Oh yeah, I love me some garlic, so guys, this is about to be really garlicky. Okay, and we got that herb seasoning, which I need some more of. Not gonna do too much. And of course we have our seasoning. Oops, sorry. Of course we have our seasoning here, blend that we had together. A little of that. All right. Get us some fresh parsley in there. Okay. And then because we're doing spicy, guys, we're going spicy with it. You don't have to. You leave out some spicy if you just want regular garlic palm wings, okay? Do it to your liking. A little red pepper flakes. Yes, that's our softened melted butter here in there. Okay? Ooh, no garlic left behind, baby. Excuse me. And then we're just going to give it a stir. And you taste and add as you go. Just give it a taste and see. If you want to add anything else. To me, that is perfect. And how silly of me, because I forgot one more thing. How in the heck did I forget our grated Parmesan cheese? You saw what I had earlier. Now we're going to mix that up in here. Alright, and so our palm butter is ready to go. Got garlic palm. Let's get it. We're just waiting for our wings. Alright, halfway through cooking, here's the results of our wings. And we're about to make these crispy raviolis. Hey guys, our wings are done. Let's get them into our butter, garlic, spicy herb butter sauce, okay? Yes, I like mine well done, baby. Hey guys, there we have it. Our spicy garlic palm wings. Look at that goodness, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed. And peace out. Later.